video I'm going to give you a Borrowify review. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how Borrowify look like, and I'm also giving you a full demo video of Borrowify. If you are new at this channel, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's move to the Borrowify review. So Borrowify is a simple website that allows you to hijack any site or copy any site in just 4 easy steps. So let's look at what are the 4 easy steps that you can follow to copy any website. Okay, so first of all, you just need to choose the URL of the website that you wanted to copy. Once you chose the website URL, then you just need to click on and paste the URL on Borrowify software. Once you do this, your website is loaded, and then you can edit that website, and then you can share this website. So I'm going to give a full review, full demo of how it's look like and how can we copy any website within 4 easy steps. So let's move to the dashboard of Borrowify. As you can see right now, I'm in the dashboard of Borrowify, and in this video I'm going to cover all the stuff that you need to learn about Borrowify and know about Borrowify. So before moving ahead, I have provided you the link in the description of Borrowify official site, so you can check that out and click on that link and buy the software. Okay, so once you will be in the dashboard of Borrowify, you will find a dashboard like this, and you just don't need to go this place. You just need to click on Borrowify here, and then you will find 4 options. First is Borrowify, then is create campaign and campaign list and add mission. Once you will click on Borrowify, you will find a dashboard like this. So here you can find multiple video tutorials by clicking on this button, and here you can in the support section you can able to talk with the support section. Okay, so as you can see right now, these are the multiple videos about Borrowify. So we don't want to watch that videos, we just wanted to know about Borrowify. So let me click again here, and we just want to create a campaign. So let's learn how to use Borrowify. So once you will click here, you will be able to find this section, and this section is saying enter website URL that you want to copy. So let's say I wanted to copy this Borrowify website. So let me click on copy this URL, and then I just need to paste it here. Once I will be pasting here, then I can click on Borrowify page, borrow page, and then it's going to be clone the website, make a clone for me. As you can see right now, this is a clone of the website that he have built for me. And once I will be go video back, and I can also edit this page. So what I need to do is I just need to copy and click on live edit page. So once I will click on live edit page, I will be able to see the dashboard of editing. Okay, so here I can edit this section, edit this page here. So let me cut it. So it can't be cut it because I'm in the dashboard of let's say I want to edit this section, so I can edit this. Okay, it's taking time because it's a software. Okay, now it's cutted. Let me say let's start. Okay, let's see what has happened. So as you can see right now, the text on the screen. So let me cut it, and let's go back, and let's copy another website that we can use. Okay, so let's copy another website. So as you are thinking that we are going to add here, so let me add any URL here. So let me add the URL of this page. I will click on live edit, then I will be able to edit this website. Okay, so this is an affiliate offer of grandfather. It's in a review of diabetes software, diabetes product. So let's edit this page. As you can see right now, this is in a video, it's loading the page. So let's wait for the loading process. So the images of this website is not loading, so let's check out another website. So let's take another example, and let's paste another site, and let's edit website. Okay, so let me click on edit website, and now I will be able to edit this page. Okay, so what I need to do is I just need to click on this edit section, then I will be able to cut this and make it subscribe. Now as you can see, because it didn't have space, so as you can see right now, it's got subscribe, and let's say I want to make it live to, let's say, go. So as you can see right now, I'm able to edit this page easily. Let's say I want to make it Navdeep Arya. Okay, as you can see right now, I can also add text here, I can add call to action, and you know the best part is I can add custom HTML also. So if I want to add any stuff here, so I can add it and click on custom HTML, and I will able to customize or add any HTML code here. Okay, then I just need to click on save here, and I will be able to see this on my pages. Okay, so let it save. Okay, as you can see right now, campaign successfully saved successfully. Then we just need to click on back here, back button, and once we will go to back, here we can see the create campaign list. So in this campaign list, I will be able to find out my website that I have created. So as you can see right now, this is the website that I have created in the front of you, right now. So I will be able to see this website. So let's see how the website is looking that we have just edited right now. So you can see right now it's go button and subscribe now. Here you can find subscribe now. And if I want to share this, so what we can do is just click on share, and we can share this website on multiple social media platforms. Here you can see I can share this on Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Telegram, Messenger, any platform. There are multiple platforms out there available. Okay, so then we just need to click on, then let's move to next option, which is add machine here. So basically it's for advertisement. Let's say if I wanted to let's say I want to open any photo or create a new photo, then I can select the width of this image, and then I just need to click here, and I can draw any stuff here and apply it here, apply, and then I can also add any text here. So I can use these images on my website if I wanted to add it. Okay, let's have a bit, use this add text, and then just need to click on subs. Let me go to this text first. Let me control A and subscribe now. Subscribe now. So I can do what? I can use these images on my website, as well as I can use this on multiple platforms. Those we just I can make it bigger also. It's very simple, and then I will need to apply, and I can save this image and upload it on my website, and a copy clone that I have built it right now. So it's for collapse the menu, and it's for make it larger and smaller. So this isn't a full review about Borrowify, how this software works. Okay, before moving ahead, before ending this video, I have provided the link in the description of real and the original Borrowify website. Once you will be able to click on that website, you will be redirected to this website, and you will be able to purchase this software. And here you can read all the things that you need to more understand about the software. So you will be understand there, and you can learn from more about here, and you can read all the stuff that is mentioned here. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please go and subscribe my channel, because I upload multiple videos like this on my channel about reviews of software, so it can be helpful for you. Okay, so this is it for today. Bye bye.